Alright, Country Quest folks, today we're here to show you how to build probably the cheapest but most effective little bait tank money can buy. It's probably around $30 range. We'll go through what we used here and kind of about what we paid for it and show you how to build one. First thing we did is we went to our local Walmart and they sold a little kit. It's an aerator. It came with a little bit of hose and some check valves. It was about 15 bucks. We picked up some bigger aerator stones. I think we got a pair of them for about 4 or 5 bucks. We picked up a little more too. The amount that came with the kit we thought was a little short. We picked up 25 feet for about 5 bucks. Then I had a bunch of cord here at the house. I looked the price on them. They're about $1.50, $2 a piece. And we've got a little Sterilite plastic tote, you know, like you store clothes, whatever in. This one's a 30-gallon, and they're about $9.98 at Walmart. I'll show you how we built it. So simple, you won't believe it. It worked really good. We used it Memorial Weekend. Kept about 30 perch in it for about 4 days. Caught them Friday, used it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Kept all our perch alive really well. It did need cleaned on the 4th day. Unfortunately, we were about out of perch. So if you plan on using them longer than this, I would suggest a filtration system to clean the water out, because it was pretty dirty after about 4 days. But just for a weekend deal or holiday weekend, this thing worked really great. Okay, so first thing you want to do, drill a couple holes in the top of your lid. We used about 3/4, 1 inch bit, I don't remember. And once you do that, we set our stones, aerator stones in the bottom of the tank. And ran the hose up through the holes. The holes are big enough we can get our little check valves through. That was the main purpose of them being that size. Once you get those down, we simply hook up our aerator. Like I said, we picked the one with outlets for 2 hoses. Get a little more air in the tank. Hook it up and you're ready to go. When we filled ours with water, we're going to move this out to show you what happened. We did get a little flex from the tank, so that's what we used our bungee cord for. The lid itself wouldn't hold the bait tank side in, so I'll show you how we hooked that up. You've probably already figured it out, but we'll show you anyways. When it was filled with water, we had a nice gap here, so we simply took a bungee cord. Mine was a little long, so I knotted it up instead of going and buying a new one. Just hook it over onto the side. Keeps your lid nice and secure and brings your tank back to shape. Fill it with water and you're ready to go. We used a dechlorinator that we bought at Walmart. It was about 6-7 bucks. Said treated 250 gallons, so that's 8 times for our tank. Plug it into your outlet, runs real well. One thing I suggest is, we were using ours in the spring here, just not too long ago, like I said, on Memorial Weekend, and it's nice cool weather. If you're using this in the heat of the summer, it's not insulated obviously. Take you a empty 2-liter bottle, fill it about 2/3 full and freeze it. Drop it in there, keeps fish nice and cool. That's how we make the world's cheapest bait tank. Hope you enjoyed the video, and go out and catch some fish.